The US government is drowning in debt, and the alarm bells are ringing louder than ever. In 2024, America spent over $6 trillion but earned just $4.5 trillion in taxes. The rest? Borrowed. That's why the national debt is now over $34 trillion and rising faster than ever before. This isn't just a number. It's a ticking bomb. So why is this happening? Because of four dangerous forces: military spending that outpaces most of the world combined, exploding social programs like Medicare and Social Security, interest on the debt itself now costing over $1 trillion a year, and tax cuts with no spending discipline to match. The US is borrowing to pay interest on old borrowing. That's the beginning of a debt spiral. To fund these deficits, the US issues more treasury bonds. But investors are starting to get nervous. That's why bond yields are surging. That's why the Federal Reserve can't lower rates. Inflation risks are too high. And that's why Moody's just downgraded the US credit outlook, warning the world that even America might not be a safe bet forever. Higher yields hurt everything. Mortgages are unaffordable. Corporate debt is choking businesses. And Wall Street knows what's coming. A brutal correction if confidence collapses. The stock market is built on cheap money and trust in the US system. What happens if both disappear? We're talking about a potential stock market crash, bond market chaos, and long-term damage to the US dollar's global dominance. So what needs to be done? Tough choices. Cut the waste, reform entitlements, stop printing money during economic booms, and restore real fiscal discipline, now not later. Because if nothing changes, America's debt could hit $50 trillion within a decade. And when that happens, even the world's biggest economy might not be able to borrow its way out. This is no longer a warning, it's reality. Share this video if you believe the US needs urgent reform, and subscribe for more deep dives into the financial storms shaping our world.